If you could have seen Donald Trump right now, what you would have tell him personally about where he going with?
Remember, say my immigrants and your wife are immigrants.
Yeah.
So
Is that what you think about that?
Well, that's a foolishness, because you don't know America is the land of opportunity and all the people want to go try. Because me will never travel go there yet without glad to get a visa. To live up.
But when they say no immigrant visa though, them a talk like the green card them and the people them we actually want go they go live. So how you feel like that affect we as a country?
Well, sometimes a lot of us want to migrate, and right now we must stop people chances for making life better. I know many people will bash me for this, but sometimes you have to migrate from your country go to our next country to make it.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
is true.
yeah, man, yeah, man. So I just say, but you ain't have to do that still.
Yeah.
You ain't have to do that. Me wish you could have reconsider and give it a chance, because we go sometime. But sometimes we make it bad for ourselves.
Yeah,
We're not afraid to talk. We Jamaican, we make it bad for ourselves.
Okay.
You see me I say? But this is something for we even looking at ourselves too.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, we feel looking at for ourselves too, because enough things happen to we Jamaicans and we see a man cause it.
Yeah.
So even if you stop it for a little while and reconsider it back, a kind of good thing still, although I want to go to America. Yes.
So what you feel say should happen to, like, say you spend your money and you go up by embassy and you not get through? What you think them should do? You think them should give a full refund or at least half of it?
Well, at least half fight, You understand? Because people work hard for their money. Money not just grow and you pick up money like that. Can watch life is a gamble still, but I them set them thing and I them set them policies. So you just work with them policy. That's how you go, even though we work hard for money, you just work with them policy, because think about what you do before you do it. Simple as that. Yeah, man.
Alright, so you feel like it's a security thing on America side, or you feel like it's a racism thing?
Both. Both racism, both security wise for their country. Yeah. Racism, because you don't know if I'm back in ideas with black and white and this slavery thing and this mentality where we black people not come out of it, and even white people too don't come out of it. We need to come out of it.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
And security wise now, on them country, a lot of us leave here with our bad behaviors. Because when me talk fear, we leave here with our bad behaviors and take it to them country, so it make it harder for us Jamaicans to get a chance. Yeah, man, same so, plain truth, straight talk.
So you don't feel like say Donald Trump a bully the small country them though?
Yes, in some way or in his way, right? But me not really I go really commentate on that. You understand? But everybody deserve a fair chance, because I will if I would there suffer and want a chance. But me I put a fire upon where my deal with still straight. Me I put a fire because me I love to get a visa for go same way. So me I put a fire upon where my deal with.
So Donald Trump so go watch that video as in what you da want tell him say?
Well, Mr. Trump, you watch the video and you go see the video. Yeah, man. Me were born as a Jamaican, born a Jamaica, raised a Jamaica, and live a Jamaica. I tell you straight in your face, you're foolishness, you do. Big foolishness. But me, I ask you, on behalf of all Jamaican, me know me one can't do it still, but me still I ask you. If you just reconsider, boss. Yeah, man, reconsider and give us a chance, because, many of we can prove ourselves. And all are we good, but many of we did it can prove ourselves.
So man say no more immigrant visa for Jamaicans and 74 other countries. How you feel about that?
good and it bad, Because you're a one. When you say immigrant visa, I mean those who family up there apply for them, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're a one. The good side, you left the area, you go up there, boom, you can help your family and the way you're supposed to do and benefit Jamaica
Yeah.
financially wise. The bad part, you make a fool of yourself when you go up there.
Yeah.
You involve now bad things, break the law, commit crime, and make it bad for Jamaica,
Yeah.
which means we support it and we don't support it.
So you don't say how we make it bad for yourself then?
100% we make it bad for ourselves. We get a chance to better ourselves.
Yeah.
But a country knows we can improve ourselves and help ourselves and every family, and we're going to make a fool of ourselves.
Yeah.
You understand? So I support it, I not support it. You understand?
So yeah, Andrew though, how you would react to something like this?
I'm the Prime Minister. Aye, boy. Believe me. Now keep me silent,
Keep it silent.
Keep me silent.
So you would say it's a security thing Donald Trump a deal with, or you feel like you have a little touch of racism in it?
I two side no security no. Because you know see you have to secure to protect your country and protect your people them. You understand? And on the other side, you know, a nation don't want to defend for them own people. I don't know. We know all white people you see, they want to defend for them people and what benefit for them. Put them people first and what left, then put them second. So it's a two side to it. Yeah.
So if you could have see Donald Trump right now, what you would have tell him personally about where he going with?
Remember say my immigrants and your wife are immigrants.
Yeah.
Some of think twice.
Yeah.
And an immigrant build up America.
Yeah.
So if you want to get rid of immigrant and want to suspend and stop the visa, you're going to be in a problem.
Yeah.
You understand? You're going to have a problem. America will crash.
Yeah.
And if America crash, the Western Hemisphere crash.
True.
And we're backyard. So
True,
if
true.
America fall, we're going to feel we're going to fall a lot.
True.
And we can't afford that for them. You understand?
Yeah, man,
So
man.
Donald Trump, you have to wake up yourself. Open your eye. I read my news say that. Bam.
Alright, so shout out the channel them about.
Read my news.
Alright.
Keep yourself calm.
So you know, so Donald Trump say, yo, Jamaica and 74 other country, no immigrant visa not granted. How you feel about that?
Well, I feel hurted, I feel bad because me don't like one visa to 1 years me want to go up there. I have my relatives and family them and friends up there. So if him a deny we from that, it a gonna hurt me too. You understand? And even when I throw out some people and some good people, mean good and positive people in our country, it hurt other people. The whole world I feel it. And I tell you say right now what I'm do or what I say. I don't know how true it is, but to me hear what I go on the media. A foolish man I do here, man. Because they're good Jamaicans over foreign where I build up America.
Yeah.
You understand? And I pay them good tax and you understand and I contribute to goodness over there, not crime and violence.
Yeah.
So when I do all of that and it's enough youth in a Jamaica where I study, go to college and think, them do this for further themselves. Them like to get a job overseas. You understand? So when you deny good youth, well, I think about future, and you have to deny them from coming in a land of opportunity. That's not good. That I discourage enough people for like just give up and know say alright because right now I'm there and I know say me a youth or me a big man or me a youth them. Them finish high school, them go college, university, them want further themselves to bigger university and bigger job. Them some of them will get all a job out here. The salary might not up to standard, but them still have to work. Them hear about a job opportunity overseas in America where them go if a nurse, if a police, if a soldier, if a anything or tradesman work or enough little and business work or enough youth, male student, they are Jamaica where have them qualification and can work at Wall Street and enough of them big top place there, you see me? And you got to deny them entry from coming in, that not look good.
The visa where I talk do, you know, I like the people them who want green card and who for family a file for them to go live there, you see me?
Okay. Yeah, and that not good either.
Not good either.
That not good either for him to deny people like that because people are still a problem on us. If me know say my people are file for me, I try my best for yes. Hold on, man. I try my best for them on the right track at all time. Jack, how go on? Yeah, man. So like that way I deny people from green card and them thing there.
Yeah.
I'm married too.
Yeah, man.
And
all that come
yeah.
under immigrant thing, man.
Yeah. It don't look good, brother.
Real talk.
It's not a good look.
Yeah. So yo, if you are Andrew though, what do you think Andrew should have do different to make the Jamaican people them don't want to go live a foreign?
Well, if me and Andrew, the only thing them can do to make Jamaican people don't want to go live a foreign, brother. Make the economy better.
Yeah.
Start pay the people them better.
Yeah.
You see me? Make more job opportunities, you know, and them things there so people have things out there can do and pay them good. So you never have the mind for go foreign.
Yeah.
And make we do where Marcus Garvey movements. 1,200 a pound. Okay. So I just them for knows like the Marcus Garvey movements now like eat what you grow.
Yeah.
Grow what you eat and you know
Yeah.
produce your own.
True.
So we don't have to depend on no one
Yeah.
and use up our resources because enough of them think them when foreign investor come here can take away and invest and divert it over to for them country.
Yeah.
we if have all of them resources there to turn back in our economy, you see me? And that's them thing there, you see me? So, and we don't have to worry about visa. Why you pay the teacher them, the nurses, the doctors, the tradesmen them, everybody of them get step up the salary and you know, everything will be alright. Blessings. Yeah, man.
So Donald Trump said no more immigration visa for the immigrant them. So all who are see green card and want to go live in a country, that stop. What do you think about that?
Well, he must know because him not gonna put other people over feed people them. I feel people then come first. You say Americans, them not put them over Americans. Yeah.
So you don't feel like say the immigrant them really build America though?
Well, in our way, of course. In our way, because USA people, them most of them not like work. And the older people, then come work and build USA, and them not realize that. Yeah.
So you feel like it's a security thing where much try to protect America, or you feel like look at racism in it?
Well, in our way, it's a kind of security thing. He might try secure America, but. Mm,
So you feel like say Jamaicans, you feel like we make it bad for yourself?
well, in our way, yes, because sometimes the Jamaicans then go over, they go do all kind of wrong bang and all kind of something. Not only Jamaican alone, other countries too. Yeah. Yeah.
So like how you think Andrew should have react to something like this? Or if you just ignore it?
Well, and they should have. Well, if Andrew even react to it, perhaps him not going to really take Andrew word. We don't know because that man is a stubborn man, Him not take no talk. You realize?
So if you could have tell him something right now, what you would have tell Trump say right now in regards to that?
Well, if you try make everybody live because everybody build him country and not only USA is alone, and not only American build him country, other people build him country too. So if you kind of ease up and give them a blind.
So you think we should have limit the amount of Americans them coming here, or we just make it go on same way?
Well, them say the Americans them bring in the dollars. So them not go to limit that. Yes, because they say the dollars run Jamaica and you don't know. Yeah. Yeah, well.
So your man say oh, no more immigration visa for Jamaica and 74 other country. How you feel about that?
Well, you don't know, the Trump vibration, you don't know, film thing different, the way my flow, and you don't know my film racist vibration already.
So you wouldn't say it's a security thing, it's more like a racist thing.
No security thing that is, look from when immigrant been in the country there,
Yeah.
Immigrant bill most of the European country there.
Yeah, that is true.
You see what I deal with? And look for him, being him father is an immigrant. You see what I deal with? And if I get immigrants, so it have to be more than that.
Yeah.
It's a racism thing that.
Okay.
You see what I deal with? I don't really look on it still. You see what I deal with? But the people them have to know, especially in Jamaica, have to know, say listen, I fall America, I fall,
Yeah.
I feel them time now for go down. So anything them I do right now.
Yeah.
Like them say, a Joe that man catches at a straw. I that's what them the right now. You see me I deal with? So them I do everything in them power to try to maintain power. And go on like them is all that right now.
Yeah. Okay.
You see me I deal with? So them I use military might to try to show themselves. So I know. So that's the people them have really can come in themselves and say them have to come back to them roots.
Yeah. So if you are the leader of four countries, how you respond to something like that?
Well, right now, the government have to just know, say, they have to just try to show the people them, say, listen, they have to just focus on themselves. You see me I deal with? Because them can't continuously just depend outside the help and if you say the grass greener over there. So you have to deal with right so.
Between me and you though, you feel like the grass green enough yourself to really make it?
If you put hands and heart together, because anyway you go, you can't make it, But you see, you have to just move certain, you see the bad mind and the godful and them thing there. It's a unity are the key right now. I see if you know unify, I look on a country like in Africa right now. I look on my region there, Burkina Faso right now. And I say, I wonder if things that are going on. But you just need a man just step in and can unify the people and say, listen, so we think we can make it go on.
So you feel like we have that type of as leader there?
We don't see it yet, We don't see it yet. We don't see it yet. You know, but down the road, because as I say, people eyes are open, open wide enough yet, but they are open little bit. So sooner or later, one will rise, man. Because we not give hope, we can't give hope.
Alright. You will more accept differently though. So like if people then will apply for them visa and then get denied and thing. What you think then should I deal with them people?
Who apply for it, like, who you mean,
Apply and not get.
and not get.
Yeah.
Where-
Like they should have run back with money and run back half our money. What you think?
Them should have do that, yes. Them should have make the people make back their money, because if you just lock off the things, so can remember say people are go have interviews to go,
Yeah.
even after the 21st,
Yeah.
One to them people the money.
Yeah.
Is that just go down the drain, sir?
Yeah.
No, man. Something them have to kind of get the thing right so the people them can get the money. Because you just can take the people, a robbery that there's, That's how me look on it,
True that.
So you have to do some type of refund.
Yeah.
Cause like a waste that.
Yeah.
Or them plan in them head somewhere for say alright, after the 25th them run it for a month and then them start it back again or something, and then you use them, get them people back in and line for get them thing. But if you're gonna stop it so indefinitely, because no one know where I go on. You see what I deal with? You refund the people them money, man.
Alright. So if Trump see that video, what would you have said to him personally?
Trump. Them can't take reasoning. Him can't take reasoning. The man, the mind structured a certain way.
Yeah.
You see me I deal with?
Yeah.
And I'm happy. I don't really him alone behind the thing,
Yeah.
You have puppet masters,
True.
Him are the puppets,
Yeah.
And the puppet masters, and them pull the strings. So him have to just carry out them thing. You see me I deal with? So in saying something to him really not make no sense.
Yeah.
You see me I deal with? Because I just saw the thing said.
Yeah.
It's just like what government, we just know what the thing said. We can't do what they can't do, because puppet masters are pull the string,
Yeah.
That's what the thing said. You see me I deal with? Yeah, man, that's strength of life, man. You don't know.
Alright, so Donald Trump say, no immigrant visa for Jamaica and 75 other countries. What do you think about that?
Donald Trump says 75.
Country including Jamaica can't get no immigrant visa. That are people who apply for green card and want to live in their country. What do you think about that?
Well, me that's saying wrong still,
Why you that saying wrong?
Then black people believe America and England, man.
Yeah,
For ancient days.
yeah,
So why? And then live over there. I have picnic over there, some of them,
yeah,
right? And some of them who have no picnic over there, then run away and go over there.
yeah.
We still say, me that's saying that give them a break, give them a break.
Okay. So you feel like it's a security thing or you feel like say some racism thing going on?
If me feel say that chicken thing,
Security, like I try protecting country or you feel like some racism?
trying to feel him statement what him put out, in my protecting country from black people.
Yeah,
But when he win the first election, I mean, don't talk out already say, he might make America come back white.
okay.
So how him could have come up with that idea and some more black people born in America.
Yeah. So you'd say Andrew should have limit the amount of Americans who come here in response to that.
If Andrew could have make limit a certain number.
The Americans that will come here, cut back on the amount of Americans that will allow in our country.
Well,
To
all right.
react to that. What do you think?
That's a part there, no? You see a part there?
Yeah,
Jamaica make a lot of money off of tourists there.
yeah.
Jamaica make a lot of money. So a part there that ticklish.
Yeah,
Me don't feel say if you limit them.
yeah,
Me don't feel say if you limit the people them who have the money to come
Yeah.
spend in our country.
yeah.
Me don't feel say that limit them.
Okay.
We out here no have no work. Plenty youth out here no have no work. And they no have no skill.
Yeah,
And what the government should have, the government should have, and a client that they should have a training center for the youth them who left school
okay.
and they on the street.
Okay.
You train them to do something, welder, mechanic, anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So alright, so if Donald Trump could have seen that video you know and hear, what you would have said to him?
If you do what?
If he would have seen that video here, what you would have said to him?
If you could have seen that video of
With me and your reason.
yeah.
What you would have want to tell him personally?
Me that, well, just like, but me talk it already.
Okay.
Give people them a chance.
Okay.
Argue says, anyway you go, you are bad at the night.
Yeah.
But give them a chance.
Okay.
Give them a chance.
Okay, so you're saying for free up back the thing.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Much respect, yeah.
Yeah, man, no problem.
So Donald Trump saying ban 75 countries, including Jamaica, from getting immigrant visa. What do you think about that?
Wrong.
Wrong.
Man of God.
So what do you think Jamaica should have react to something like that though?
Oh, they react and you don't want to react. He wrong. He's totally wrong.
So you feel like a we call that down on ourselves?
No. Him take up things in his own hand. So him wrong.
So like if you could have seen Donald Trump right now, what you would tell him say?
Let's say you're not God, please put it down back. I got discernment make. You're a man. He's not God. God Almighty make those decisions. And God say we must walk the earth to and fro until the day we dead. So you know, I've no right for nobody.